Las Vegas, Nevada.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Jersey City, New Jersey. Looks like he tried to take a city bike, but the wheels were locked. A neighbor in Baltimore shared this Ring doorbell footage of what they think is a UFO. Look up at the top left corner of the screen or you'll miss it. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. A lot of people in the comments were saying it might be a lightning bug or a shooting star, but I've never seen a shooting star moving horizontally. Phoenix, Arizona.
Hey, y'all know it's 12 outside right now. I know it's like 4 cops out here right now. And y'all just jump on the fence right now. Yo. Ooh.
Hey, get down slowly. Everybody show me your hand.
Me?
Where did she go?
Wait, I'm right here.
Hey, they ain't got nothing to do
All right,
with me.
let me see your hand.
They ain't got
Right
nothing to do
here.
with me. I can walk over there. They ain't got nothing to do with me. Hey, they ain't got nothing to do with me.
Can you unlock this?
Hey, stop right there.
Hey,
Stop.
hey, I ain't got. You can check me. For what?
Pretty sure.
I was like, I ain't got nothing.
Hey, turn around, dude.
Me?
Both of you guys to turn around.
Go ahead, bro.
You got a guy over here? Email.
Apparently, this guy's trying to catch a hot one.
Gray shirt, walk back.
I ain't got nothing on me, cuz.
They said put your hands up, buddy.
Keep watching until I say stop.
I'm just fresh tonight. I ain't got
Hey,
nothing.
keep your hands up, dude.
Sorry.
This guy's trying to catch a hot one.
Hands
Keep
up.
your hands
or
up.
you're
Drop
gonna get
phone.
Shit, bro.
Who's playing in a minute?
Hey, wait.
Bro, you can't. Nah. You can't put me in handcuffs. I'm literally
Hey,
just.
if you don't listen to my commands, you're gonna get hit.
Hit with
Flash
what?
shirt, walk back until I say stop. Keep your hands up.
My phone right there, though. Just saying. I can walk
Walking
back?
back until I say stop.
I don't got nothing on
Keep
me.
coming,
Walking
dude.
back.
Sorry.
Keep coming.
Keep walking back.
Atlanta, Georgia. Can't even have a welcome mat anymore. Las Vegas, Nevada. A neighbor shared this doorbell footage of a masked man outside of their home around 12:30 at night. Seattle, Washington.
I'm back. Hello? Hey, shit, man. Oh, God, bro. Like, this is weird.
Looks like someone is checking this neighbor's door. Yeah, better keep those doors locked. Houston, Texas. A neighbor shared this footage of 2 armed men who broke inside of their neighbor's home.
Vení que venga ahí, Vení. Vení que venga ahí, hombre.
San Antonio, Texas. Check out this person creeping around. Stockton, California. Check her out. Hey, leave my camera alone, Grandma.
It's okay, it's just me.
Olympia, Washington. Another doorknob wiggler here. Better keep those doors locked. Syracuse, New York. Looks like this group is targeting this Porsche Panamera. Akron, Ohio. What's this guy want? Granada Hills, California. Looks like a pretty big mountain lion. Austell, Georgia. So these two are out on a barbecue, but they get a surprise visitor. Let's see what happens. Birmingham, Alabama. So here this guy goes trying to jimmy his way inside of this office suite with his bootleg Ralph Lauren polo shirt on. Meanwhile in Akron, can't even be generous anymore, because then they'll just come back wanting more, knocking at your door at almost 4 in the morning begging for something else.
Yeah, I'm Zarin Henry, sir.
Who are you, sir?
Oh, I'm the guy that he helped out the other day.
Oh, okay. He's not here right now, but he'll be here I don't know when. Tomorrow, I think.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Is there, can I speak to you for a moment?
What do you need, sir?
I just found a job today, and at Diamond Grill, and I just want to tell him thank you for helping me. I know this is late. He know I'm homeless, and like I said, I got a job now, and I got an opportunity to go to this boarding house, and I just didn't have enough to get in to take a shower.
Well, he'll be here tomorrow, so you can come back tomorrow, sir.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
I need to take a shower, and
You think I'm gonna let you in my house at 3:40 a.m. to take a shower?
if you can just help me out tonight where I can get in there, take a shower, and change up, I'll make sure y'all get it back.
I don't have any money or nothing, sir.
If you don't leave, I'm going to have to call the cops.
Get lost!
Okay, it's understandable. All right.
Okay.
Good night. Have a good night.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.